On the 14th of February 2022, the Union of Academia, known as the Academic Staff Union of Universities, embarked on an industrial strike action which has pulled out thousands and millions of students out of tertiary institutions in Nigeria, and I happens to be one of them. And in order not to make my learning process to be archaic, in order to gain more knowledge, I decided to take up a mentoring course in tech skills, and I ventured into blogging, where I created a blog, a platform where I can reach out to students all over Nigeria, giving them latest updates and also giving them knowledge in order for them to be valued. www.allschoolinfo.com.ng is the name of the blog, and by the grace of God, it is still up and running. And I also decided to venture into YouTubing because I saw that a lot of people are not aware of the basic knowledge they are supposed to have, especially in order to solve daily life problem. And I decided to create up my blog, the Entertainment Media. The Entertainment Media is a combination of education and entertainment. That's why if you love educational content and entertainment, I created this YouTube platform as a togetherness in order to make them to be very unique. And you can find both educational content in my channel, and you can also find entertainment content in my channel. And I created it with 0 subscribers. That was one of the things. If you create a YouTube channel, it starts with 0 subscribers. And I came out this early morning in order to make this video. I checked out my YouTube studio and I found out that I have gotten 88 subscribers, all organic. And I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for those of you who are subscribed to my channel. And to those of you who have always been watching my video, you are my motivation and the reason I will continue making video, to make you feel valued. And if you're a new visitor, please kindly click the red subscribe button. Drop a comment after you watch this video, because the video I'm going to drop today, you're going to be very surprised. Like, it is a banger. How you can have unlimited browsing using MTN SIM forever, or unlimited browsing. When I mean by unlimited browsing, if you have been watching some of my videos, you know that my videos are not fake. You know that my videos are not just typing. My videos are 100% correct research, and that is what I have been using with a long time proof, which I will show you. And please drop a comment. You can also share this video to your friends so that they can also come here and feel valued. I really love you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can have unlimited browsing using your MTN SIM anywhere in Nigeria, anytime, any minute. So what you have to do is watch this video to the end. As normal, I'll be using a screen recording to show you step-by-step details on how you can have it. And one of the things is you have to have at least a little internet connection before you can start assessing what I'm going to show you today. So I really love you. Watch this video to the end. God bless you. The cheat I'm going to drop today, we directly head on to Google Play Store, and if you are using an Android phone, you go to the Apple Store. But I think it works. You are going to see this particular app on Google Play Store and might not find it on Apple Store. So we search on Eduztunnel Pro VPN. Eduztunnel Pro, and allow it to load. And yeah, this is the VPN. The stuff here is that I've already downloaded the VPN. I've installed the VPN on my device, and if you are yet to install the VPN, it is just 30 MB to install it, and you install the VPN. And since I've already installed it on my phone, let me open it and show you how you can go about it to set it up. I click on open, and it takes me to the VPN. It is an unlimited VPN, a virtual private network, which actually hides your data connection. And on the pop-up screen, it says join us on Telegram. Okay, we'll say later, join later. And this is the user interface of the VPN. What you have to do is you have to click on these 3 dots at the top right corner. So click on the 3 dots. The purpose of this 3 dots is to update the tweaks. So you click on update tweaks, You allow it to update. Okay, it has been updated, and since this is your first time, you click on USA and choose, make sure you choose USA 1, and after the USA, down there the middle, you click on it, and you're going to see a list of tweaks. So for whatever network you are using, this is Glow and the rest of them. Okay, an ad I want to show. Let me cut it off. So this is the tweaks. This is for Glow, Nine Mobile, ads, a lot of ads. So you have to know that when you download this app, you'll be shown a lot of ads, but you just have to be canceling it. And you check for the network you are using. This is Airtel. I'm actually using MTN, so I'm looking for MTN. Okay, this is MTN, and this is NG MTN 50 MB daily. So I click on it, and the last one you see here, something like add more time. You have to click on add more time so that you can actually have more time to use the, you need to have add more time. As you can see, yes, 3 hour 38 minutes 36 seconds. If your first time of downloading the app, you just be given an option of 38 minutes, and what you have to do is you click on add more time. You will see where you'll be shown to renew access, watch video ads to renew your access to the service, and you can watch free video at time. Click on it, allow it to load. We allow it to loading video. Please wait, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so guys, please kindly click the red subscribe button, drop a comment to show whether it is working or not on your device and on your sim, because some of the sim you are actually using might not be compatible with some of the cheat I share on my YouTube channel. So the reward is being granted. I go back, and as you can see, I've been added 7 more hours. And now the last steps the last step is to click on start. You can see this, that the start area is giving out a vibration. So what I have to do is click on start and allow it to connect. It's authenticating, and it is connected. You can see I changed from start to stop, and to show you that it is really working, let me close up this place and move to, let me go to YouTube. Oh, sorry, let me go to YouTube and shows that it is really working. This is YouTube. YouTube is taking much time. The background app on my device is taking up time to boot up YouTube. So let me close down this YouTube first. Let me check out Facebook, guys. Okay, Facebook Lite has just opened. This is with no data, but since I've connected to my Eduztunnel Pro, I'm now able to access Facebook data mode, not even using free mode but the data mode. So guys, if you watch this video to the end and you feel value, check it out, try it out. Eduztunnel Pro VPN on Google Play Store. Download it, follow all my steps. Number 1, you download the app. Number 2, you click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and you update your tweaks. Number 4, you click on a country and make sure you choose USA. and after that you click on direct access. The direct access will take you to where you choose whether you want MTN or Glo depending on the sim you are using. And finally you click on the start. You allow it to connect, and when it is connected you are free to use it to explore any social media of your choice. So guys, try it out. I really love you. Thank you.